Welcome to the School of Engineering Celebration of Excellence. I'm School Director Dr. Meena Gofar. I would like to acknowledge that UBC Okanagan is situated in the territory of the Silks Okanagan Nation and their peoples. I would also like to acknowledge that you are joining us today from many places near and far and acknowledge the traditional owners and caretakers of those lands. Due to the advice of the public health authorities, we are holding this celebration virtually. Today's online festivities are very important because it provides us with an opportunity to acknowledge some of our students who have achieved outstanding accomplishments during their time at UBC Okanagan. Our agenda will include individual discipline recognition and awards. We'll hear from some of the School of Engineering administrators, some special guests, and close with a list of graduates from the class of 2020. Before we get to our awards, the School of Engineering's Executive Associate Dean, Dr. Rehan Sadiq, wishes to pass along his congratulations. Rehan, to you.
Thank you, Meena. Congratulations, class of 2020. We have a proud tradition of having and celebrating the graduating class of engineering students. We would like to maintain that tradition. Past few months and weeks have been very tough for everyone, which has taught us many lessons to be resilient and build our capacity against adversity. During your stay with us at School of Engineering, you were not only given an opportunity to study in the classrooms. There are many other opportunities and exposures you have it through learning group work, lab work, and this made you a very good professional. Your learning have made an incredible impact on the School of Engineering, and your success is very important for us. On behalf of School of Engineering, I would like to say thank you very much for your hard work and dedication and your contribution to School of Engineering. I wish you all the best for your future endeavors.
Congratulations. As a fellow graduate of UBC, let me be one of the first to welcome you as a new member of the UBC Alumni Association. You may not realize it, but you have just entered into an amazing network of people who have all graduated from UBC. This network is vast, with more than 400,000 people who work and live in 140 different countries. And one of the best parts of being dean and being a professor is that I'm able to meet with so many alumni, people just like you. I've had the tremendous privilege of traveling the world and meeting with these alumni in places like Hong Kong, Singapore, San Francisco, Seattle, who are all doing amazing things. They're starting innovative new companies. They're designing world-changing technologies, leading organizations and institutions, engaging with their communities to make a difference, to make an impact in the areas of passion, whether it's technology or policy and social justice or human or planetary health. And no matter how different our circumstances, I always know that we have a shared life experience in UBC. We all know the hard work it took to complete projects and the late nights studying for exams. We all shared in the many successes at UBC, and we all endured a few failures and setbacks. I also know that this life experience, the hard work, the setbacks, the many successes, have built character. They've built strength, resilience, and fearlessness. A sense of fearlessness where you know that you can learn anything and with real effort accomplish the same. And it is this strength, resilience, and fearlessness that will serve you best right now as you enter into some of the most uncertain times in a generation. You should recognize that you have taken your first step. You have graduated from one of the most difficult programs in one of the best universities in the world. Congratulations. It's a big step. But don't forget, it's only your first step. And I encourage your next step to participate in UBC alumni. Together, we are stronger. Even now, with the virtual alumni events, you should become active and volunteer in what is your most powerful network. Volunteer as a mentor, and when you can, hire a student. I encourage you to take on leadership opportunities when they appear, and I know for you they will. Through your accomplishments, your network, your influence, and your leadership, you will make change. You will become the thought leaders for the next generation. Tomorrow, you will find solutions to our greatest challenges, whether they're global health, social and racial injustice, or climate change, that have never been more apparent today. I look forward to seeing your leadership and your success. Congratulations again.
Let's turn our attention to the Engineers and Geoscientists of BC's Certificate in Engineering. One certificate is awarded in each engineering discipline to the graduating student who shows the greatest promise and has achieved high academic standing in their discipline. And one overall certificate is awarded to the student with the highest academic standing.
Hello, I'm Dwayne Tannant, the Program Chair for Civil Engineering. I am very pleased to award the EGBC Civil Certificate to the student who has achieved the highest academic standing in the civil program. Congratulations, Stormy Howard.
Thank you so much for this amazing recognition. Never in a million years would I have thought I would have been able to achieve such an astounding feat. It's been an incredible journey these last 4 years, and I couldn't have done it without all the support and help from my friends, family, professors, and UBCO staff. Without you guys, I would have never been able to receive this amazing award. So thank you so much. And congratulations, class of 2020. All the best.
Hi, I'm Dr. Chen, the Program Chair for the Electrical Engineering Program. I'm very pleased to award the EGBC Electrical Certificate to the student who achieved the highest academic standing in the electrical program. Congratulations, Abdullah al-Ramli.
Hi, my name is Abdullah al-Ramli. I am a UBCO Electrical Engineering 2020 graduating student. I would like to thank Engineering and Geoscientists BC and the School of Engineering for their recognition. It's an honor to be one of the recipients of this award. I would like also to take this opportunity to thank my family, my friends, and my professors. This achievement could not have been done without your support and your help. Thank you.
Congratulations to the graduating class of 2020. I've gotten to know many of you over the years, and especially in this last little bit here, I've been blown away by your collective resilience, your resolve, and ability to adapt. I know that those skills are going to serve you really well. So at this point, I wish you all the best. Congrats again, and I can't wait to see what you're going to do with your futures.
Hi, I am Dr. Siddhartha, the Program Chair for Mechanical Engineering. I'm very pleased to present 2 awards today. First, the EGBC Mechanical Certificate, awarded to the student who achieved the highest academic standing in the mechanical program. Second, the Canadian Society for Mechanical Engineering Gold Medal, which recognizes top mechanical engineering students of each Canadian university. Congratulations to this year's recipient of these awards, Joel Hunter.
It's an honor to receive these 2 awards. First of all, I'd like to thank my parents and brother for their love and support. I've been fortunate to be surrounded by an inspiring group of friends who've made this time here at UBCO unforgettable. It's been a pleasure to work with my peers on the various group projects that we have encountered together, and I wish you all the very best as you move forward with your careers. I'd like to thank the professors and notice their hard work as we navigated through these challenging times. Take pride in your work. Thank you all, and I wish you the best of health.
Dear Class 2020, please accept my heartfelt congratulations for your great achievements. I'm sure you and your family are very happy and proud. Job well done. Allow me to give you 3 advices. And unlike my lecture, I promise I make them short. First of all, don't think by graduating from one of the top universities in the world, the journey of learning stops here. Never cease to be curious. Never stop to learn. Sky should be your limit. In fact, one of the most important skills that you acquired while you were here was the skill of learning how to learn, and that's all you need from now on. Number 2, this pandemic has taught us how fragile we are. If we want to continue this journey in this planet, we have to be competent, caring, and compassionate. You will be the future leaders. Whenever you want to make a decision, please think about 3 P's. Profit, of course, financial aspect of your decision, but people and planet, social and environmental impact. And if it comes to sacrificing one of these 3 P's, your only choice should be the profit. By graduating from UBC, you will remain a valuable member of this prestigious family. Your voice will be heard. Your presence will be noticed. Your opinion will be valued. Please don't cut your cord with us. Nothing makes me happier and prouder than hearing from my previous students, knowing that how successful they are. And I'm sure this will be your case. So, best of luck in your future. But wait a minute, you don't need luck. You have knowledge and integrity. That's all you need. Let me finish by saying that best wishes in your future personal and professional journey. Godspeed, thank you, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you.
Lastly, we have the EGBC Overall Certificate, which is awarded to the student with the highest academic standing. Congratulations to Tyre.
Thank you for this recognition. I first just wanted to congratulate the entire engineering class of 2020 on graduating. I know the countless hours, all-nighters, and pads of engineering paper that went into each and every degree. As for my acknowledgements, I first wanted to thank the School of Engineering for fostering a learning environment that promoted creativity and innovation and really allowed myself and others to thrive. I also would like to thank my family, especially my mom and dad, who have always been very supportive of me. And lastly, I would like to thank all of my friends who stuck with me through all of the highs and lows during university. Specifically, my friend Ryan, who shared the same course schedule as me all 5 years of university and was always pushing me to be a better student. Thanks again.
Hello, my name is Yan Chao. I'm Associate Director for Undergraduate Studies at the School of Engineering. Congratulations to all award recipients and the entire class of 2020. It is my honor to present Doug and Ruth Pierce Engineering Capstone Prize. This award recognizes a team of students at the School of Engineering who placed first in the Capstone Design Project course ENGR 499. This year, the winning project is from Group 38. The title of the project is Applying Machine Learning and Artificial Intelligence to Maritime Transportation. The industry sponsor for this project is CanScan Incorporated. The group created a system for port workers to automatically track freight containers on incoming trucks. The group contains following members: Ali Jalil, Ella Lin, Jackie Lin, Larry Stacy, and Han Ting Tsai.
This project is a complete success. The design met all the criteria laid out at the beginning of the project. It is faster and safer for drivers than filling out a form. It could accurately recognize shipping container numbers from 18 feet away. This system is the beginning of bringing ports into the 21st century and revolutionizing supply lines. It's no exaggeration to say that an investment into AI vision for our ports is an investment into the future.
Congratulations, you did a great job. I don't have enough words to express how happy I am for you. I wish I could hug you now. You are on the right track for a wonderful future, but now for a while relax and have some fun. You deserve it.
Next, it is my honor to present Dr. Spiro Yiannakopoulos Memorial Awards in Engineering Leadership. Dr. Spiro Yiannakopoulos was the previous school engineering director and associate dean of Faculty of Applied Science. He was instrumental to the creation, development, and success of the school engineering. This award is given to a student who has demonstrated exceptional leadership throughout their undergraduate studies at the UBC and within the greater community. Congratulations to this year's winner, Holly Denby.
My name is Holly Denby, and I am this year's proud recipient of the Dr. Spiro Yiannakopoulos Memorial Award in Engineering Leadership. First off, I would like to thank Dr. Yiannakopoulos for everything he has done for the School of Engineering and the engineering community at UBCO, and for recognizing the importance of leadership in the engineering industry. Dr. Yiannakopoulos was the Associate Dean during my first year of university. A fond memory I have of him is hearing that when the Engineering E mysteriously appeared on the edge of campus, he took one look at it and said, "Let's move it closer." I first got involved at UBCO through joining the Engineering Society as first-year representative. Through that role, I found that I had a passion for student politics and leadership. I then went on to become president of the Engineering Society, as well as the vice president internal for the Students' Union. A few of my favorite memories from being a student leader include attending the International Seminar for Engineering Leaders in Santiago, Chile, participating in Engineering Week and showing engineering pride and spirit, and introducing new students to UBCO at Create First Year Orientation. Being involved on campus has greatly enriched my university experience, and I'm so grateful for the tight-knit community at UBCO. I have learned valuable skills such as relationship building, conflict resolution, adaptability, and many more that I will carry with me into my future career. I would like to thank the leadership, faculty, and staff at the School of Engineering for continuously seeking feedback from students on how to enhance the engineering student experience at UBCO, and for always supporting student leaders with their roles and initiatives. Thank you.
It is my honor now to introduce you to Mr. Gordon Springate, who will be presenting the next award. Gordon is a proud UBC Chemical Engineering graduate, hailing from Burnaby South High School. During his time at UBC, he received the EUS Student Leadership Award in his third year engineering university, and to this day continues to help lead and mentor our emerging engineering talent. 1 year ago, Gordon completed his 42-year engineering career in upstream energy, retiring as Technology Research and Development Manager at Chevron, which included 9 years on a joint NASA Jet Propulsion Laboratory Technology Board. He has worked in 20 countries and is a life member of the Society of Petroleum Engineers. He returned to Canada last summer after an absence of 28 years and currently resides in the beautiful Canadian province of New Brunswick. Please join me in welcoming Mr. Gordon Springate, who is here to present his generous award in memory of his father. The award is the Dr. Gordon Springate Senior Award in Engineering, the School of Engineering's most prestigious donor-funded student award for a well-deserving student. Gordon, to you.
Thank you for that kind introduction, and good afternoon to all. To set up the actual presentation, I'll talk a little bit about the 3 questions I'm constantly asked about this award. The first question is, why at UBC Okanagan? I get asked that a lot from the students when I visit on campus about why I'm there. I went obviously UBC Vancouver, and I could have gone back there, or I could have gone back to McGill, where Dad graduated from electrical engineering. But the Okanagan was always a fond place for Dad, and in the 1960s he brought the whole family up here for 4, 5, 6 years until a career decision made that not really doable. But again, as a result of career decisions, my parents ended up here in 1990. Dad becoming Dean of Applied Studies, as it was called, at University Okanagan College, as it was called at that time. For many of those years, from 1990 all the way past retirement, he worked with others to create a full-fledged campus in the Okanagan. And all of you students here are, to a small extent, the beneficiaries of his efforts. So all of that together is why this university. The second question I get asked is, why didn't you create a scholarship? Well, a scholarship was never the intent, and it's not really consistent with Dad's way. And it has a lot to do with the values that he developed when he was really young, growing up during the Great Depression and through World War II. At the time, in the 1930s, my grandfather was earning $10 a week to support a family of 6. No small feat. Dad graduated from high school in 1947 in a family without, the financial means for him to continue education. So he went to work for 3.5 years and finally saved up enough money he could finally get to McGill, which he obviously did. And that's why, this is not really a scholarship. It's not something Dad had the opportunity to do. I think he really believed in self-responsibility, and if you work for it, you can achieve it. And so this is about accomplishment, this award, and scholarship is left to others. And the third is the criteria. Our profession, above all else, is responsible for the betterment of the human race. No other profession contributes to society more. And all of you graduates, you will learn that over time if it's something you already don't understand. The reason so many lives were saved during this recent pandemic is because of our profession. PPE designed by materials, chemical and mechanical engineers, ventilators designed by electrical and mechanical engineers, and all of this requiring capable manufacturing engineers to deliver at scale. Sure, other professions were important, but engineering was the most essential. There's a tremendous opportunity in Canada to create self-responsibility, and someone needs to enable this to happen. A large part of the population don't see it this way, and every graduate here can contribute to this goal. This award is not about grades, it's not about trying, it's about enabling others, not doing for them, but rather in the action that this recipient and others have taken to allow others to be responsible for themselves. Okay, so on to the award. Well, timing is everything. This award was established, 6 years ago, and this is year 6, to recognize certain accomplishments, sure, but also to provide a monetary amount of $5,000. I'm happy to say this year forward that the amount of money will be doubled to $10,000. So sad for last year's recipient. You missed out by being 1 year ahead. That's just life. This year's recipient stands out in 3 categories. And this is always an interesting part of the process for me because they're always different. The first category is encouraging lifelong learning through sharing. A couple of examples of many. Engineers and geoscientists of BC Student Industry Nights. That's been going along since before my time, and I always enjoyed those when I was a student, and I participated in those elsewhere in the world, and they're extremely helpful, and people who help develop those events, they're really critical. So thanks for that. School of Engineering Student Ambassadors, which is critical to encourage others to study engineering. After all, the world can never have too many engineers. This group wasn't around when I was in school, but I just really think it's a great ad, and I'm really impressed with all these students who are participating in it and who have participated in the past. The second category is Engineers Without Borders. This is a worldwide organization. The objectives in every country are slightly different. It's not always the same. In Canada, it's about supporting sub-Saharan African startup businesses, which ultimately influence the lives of millions. And this is a great enabling activity in my mind. And, it's not just to participate. You have to do something. And raising more than $5,000 to send someone to Africa to support the effort going on over there, yeah, this award is about that. And the third category is around transportation, goods and services and people. And if you want to enable others to be successful, they have to be able to get from A to B. The world has always been that way. And this individual is focused on a career in transportation and has participated in Canada's Urban Transit Association's Youth Leadership Summit, which is a really great experience. And there is almost no limit to how transportation in the world can be improved. So with all of that, please welcome this year's recipient with a virtual round of applause, Andrew Pipke. Thank you to everyone, and best wishes to all the graduating students in your engineering careers.
I want to express a heartfelt thank you to the Springgate family for their generosity with this award. UBC and the School of Engineering have provided me with so many amazing opportunities to get involved with the community. From being a member of Engineers Without Borders and working with a fabulous team of colleagues to organize the Run 10 Poverty Fundraiser, to recently joining the Canadian Urban Transit Association and becoming a member of their Youth and Emerging Leaders Task Force, there have been no shortage of opportunities for involvement that I can't thank the community enough for. Now graduated, among other initiatives, I hope to become an advocate for affordable, abundant housing with access to sustainable, equitable transit. With this award, I'll be able to spend more time volunteering in the community. Thank you so much again to the Springgate family for this amazing honor.
And thank you everyone for joining us for the 2020 School of Engineering Celebration of Excellence ceremony. On behalf of the faculty and staff at the School of Engineering, congratulations to all the members of the class of 2020. We wish you the best of luck in your future endeavors, wherever they take you. This year, with the transition to a virtual convocation, we were unable to announce each graduate's name as they cross the stage. Instead, please take a moment to watch the remainder of this video for a list of graduates from the class of 2020, with a special recognition for those graduating with degrees with distinction. Congratulations once again, and take care.